Hey guys, today's tutorial is going to be the Half-Up Messy Bun, which is fun because you can add some accessories to it. You can put a little scrunchie, which I'm totally digging right now. So what we are going to do to start, this is second day hair. I already put a little bit of dry shampoo in it, so it has some oomph. And so you're just going to take your fingers and probably right from the points of your eyebrows, you will go back and part your hair. So we pull it. I like to use my fingers because it keeps it from being too perfect. But if you like things to be perfect, then you can use a comb or a brush, whatever you think. So once it looks pretty even, I took a little more hair, so we'll take some out. You are gonna take your little elastic, this one, or you can use the clear elastics depending on how much hair you have. And you're just going to, if you watched the Messy Bun tutorial, this was the second way where you pull it half through. So we're just gonna do that. I have no hair. Okay. So you make like a little bubble on the top of your head, like a little sumo pony. So you want to tug on that a little bit until it kind of lays down a little bit. And then we're also going to do our poof in the front. I like to just grab on my hair like this and just pull on it because it comes out pretty even. But then you can kind of tweak it and adjust it. You do want to have a little front bump. But don't look up that hashtag. It is not what I thought it was. Definitely not talking about hair. But here we go. We'll call this the hair poof, right? Okay, so we have a little hair poof going on. Looks cute. We have our little funny sumo bun. So now we're going to take the tails of our half pulled through bun and we're gonna wrap them around real loosely. At this point, you can either use bobby pins if you're bobby pin savvy, or you can put another hair elastic. I like to use a clear elastic for this part, because then I feel like it's just a little more secure. Boop. Okay, looking cute already, right? So then you just kind of tug. This one you want to be super messy and organic. It's not supposed to look perfect. But you definitely want to be able to see it from the front a little bit, because that is the style, right? So once you get that in there, make sure your front poof, hair poof, is looking how you want it. Now, you're done, but my hair always tends to get a little flat in here, especially on this side, because that's where I part my hair, and I'm a tucker. So in order to combat that, you can either add a little dry shampoo in there. So I just lift it up, spray in the dry shampoo, and rub it in to give it some fluff. Let's see here, how's that look? Aha, see? Much, much better already. Or you can take your curling iron up by the top, and if you watch the Beachy Wave tutorial, we're just gonna take it to the top, wrap it around, twist, 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 and let it out, right? And this one we are gonna brush out right away because we don't want it to be too curly. We just wanted to add a little something in the top here. So we'll do the same thing in the back. Give it that volume at the root. So I'm bringing it up really high. Let it out, twist it around, twist it around, twist it around. Ah, okay. So that's looking a little better on this side. But now I put a dent. So another way, and this is what I was gonna say, is to get your blow dryer and a big round brush. And you are just going to take that section and get your round brush right in there underneath it. And we're gonna blow dry it. The key is that you want to kind of lift up as you do it, because that's going to create the volume in there where you want it. So you let it cool a little bit. Whoa, hey, that really worked. Let it out, shake it in, and see, now it's much more symmetrical and it looks much better. So that is it. The fun part about this style too is that you can put a little scrunchy bow on it and it looks really cute. So here's mine. It's just a plain scrunchie and has like a little tiny bunny ear looking bow on it. And for this part, I don't even wrap it. I just kind of put it on there with the bow to the side, like so. And then you can kind of pull your bun out a little bit so that you can see it. And there you have it, a little half-up messy bun.